Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about which of Podio's plans are the best choice, the best value for you if you're looking to build your membership website on Podio, which is one of the better SaaS software as a service platforms out there for you, in my opinion. We got a ton of experience at WP-Tonic in helping people make these type of decisions. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. So you're looking at which plan is the best value on Podio in the first half of 2025. Now, the good news is that they've just got two plans. They've got Mover and Shaker. Mover, I'm going to quote month-to-month plans here. Mover is just under $40 a month, and Shaker is just under $90. Now, the good news is that especially if you're looking at the lower plan, Mover, is that you mostly get everything that Shaker offers. So, but there must be a difference because there's a doubling in price. You know, from $40 to $90. Well, it's more than double, isn't it? Well, the main problem is with the Mover plan, they charge 5% on top of what Stripe charges as a transaction fee. And it is in my opinion, very high, folks. The only other factor is with the Mover plan, you don't get any affiliate marketing functionality. You got to go up to the Shaker plan to get that. But like I say, the biggest problem is the 5%. There's another big problem out there because Podio, if you're looking at something to get you started really quick and easy, but has a decent interface and has support documentation of a quality level and does offer support, Podio is very attractive. But it has the problem, and its problem is Kajabi and the Kajabi starter plan, their Kickstarter plan, because that's $69, right? So, and they've got no transaction fee. Now, the problem with Kajabi is that you get the majority of functionality with this Kickstarter plan from Kajabi, but they have put restrictions, and if you hit that barrier, and you do have to look at the feature list to make that you can start off with the Kickstarter, that if you reach that barrier, you're going to be bumped up to their basic plan, which was for many years their starter plan. And that's around, if you're paying month to month, that's around $150. So, but like I say, for $69, you've got more functionality than what Podio offers, and you've got no transaction fee. You're not facing 5% on top of 2.9%. This is a difficult one, because Kajabi is a quality product, but I don't care what all their propaganda or marketing, that would be fairer, it is a complicated platform if you've got no prior experience. That's why there's Kajabi consultants out there, where there's a whole army of people that will set it up for you, because it is complicated. Now, this is a tricky. The only other thing I would suggest is you look at WordPress, because with somebody like WP Tonic, some of the hurdles that you had to jump through have been removed. And the great thing with WordPress, you don't have to have these arbitrary decisions about should I go with Podio and their mover plan and be hit by 5%, or do I have to go with Kajabi at $69 month to month, and not have this transactional fee, but have these kind of quasi-artificial limits. And if I hit it, I'm going to be hit by 100, almost $150. You're going to have to look at both and look at WordPress. I've written an article, you find that in the video description. It gives you all the links, gives you all the prices, gives you a more detailed layout of the land. I wanted to keep this video really focused on the basics. Also, if you found this video helpful, think about subscribing to the channel. That really does show YouTube that I'm doing something great, and then we'll show this video to other people. And it really encourages me to make more of these videos. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.